Las Vegas area traffic, compass 5762, crossing 26 right, Alpha 5. Las Vegas ground, compass 5762, Bravo 4, Charlie, spot 4. Vegas area traffic, compass 5762, Charlie, spot 5 to the gate, for Delta 34.
Vegas traffic, Southwest 1359, we're departing runway 26 right to be straight out, then turn to the south, Vegas traffic.
Las Vegas Airport, calendar 777, November, Hotel 19 right.
Vegas traffic, Southwest 1359, we're upwind from 26 right, we'll be turning left to the south, Vegas traffic.
Las Vegas traffic, South 3199 on the upwind, departing southwest on the Shed 1, Las Vegas traffic.
Las Vegas traffic, American 1945, departing to the southwest out of about 3,000 feet.
Las Vegas traffic, United 1899 departing airspace 4400 to the southwest. Vegas.
Las Vegas area traffic, Delta 936 on Raylan, inbound ILS 2611.
Vegas traffic, Bearing 1246, taxi from spot 12 to runway 26 right.
That's 2492. I'm waiting on that preceding departure to check in with my departure guy here. Company's 10 east of McCarran. Looks like they're straight in, and they just canceled their IFR, so you'll be next here. It'll be just a moment.
Okay.
That's 2492. Release for departure. Clearance void if not off by 1816. If not off by 1816. Advise Las Vegas this frequency of your intentions not later than 1816. Time now 1813. That's 2492. Thank you. Company's 5 miles east, westbound. Looks like they're straight in, and the common traffic frequency is 119.9. Change to that now. Departure frequency when you get airborne will be 133.95. FedEx 627, go ahead. Okay, FedEx 627, I'm not authorizing any specific runway operations. Change to the advisory frequency, and you can work it out with them on the seat path. There's a 737 about 3 miles east of McCarran. 3,200 looks like they're straight in. I'm not sure which runway they're for. So change the advisory frequency is approved.
Vegas departure is at 684, engines running on the ground for runway 19 right going to Concord.
Exec, was it 684 for Concord?
Current is at 684, 19 right.
Exec 684, clearance available, advise ready to copy.
Ready to copy.
Exec 684, clear to the Concord Airport via the Shed 1 departure. Keno transition. Filed on departure climb via the Shed 1. Expect flight level 3001 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 133.905. Squawk 7660. Hold for release.
Okay, gotcha. 684 is cleared to Concord, Shed 1, Keno transition, climb via the SID. Expect 300 and 7660 on 3395 for departure off runway 19 right. Hold for release. Exec jet 684.
Executive 684, and just to clarify, I'm not assigning any departures for runways. It's a common traffic.